Hi traders, a big question for everyone. Is the market going to be more volatile or is it entering the vacation mode? I'm not here today to predict the market volatility. I'm here to share something important from my own trading experience. So during Christmas and New Year holidays, market enters into a low volume phase. Now due to low volume, the market moves become more unpredictable, false breakouts, and sometimes your trade may remain stuck for days. So many traders they lose their capital not because of a bad trading strategy but because of bad timing. So my honest advice during the holidays, stay away from your charts, avoid trading and protect your capital. And now a quick surprise announcement. I'll be sharing my research for the best setups to be traded in 2026. So stay tuned because coming Sunday, my list of instruments for 2026 will be covering my preferred list of stocks to be traded and invested, my list of commodities, crypto, and currency pairs. So stay tuned, stay safe, play smart, and enjoy your holidays.